Welcome back, guys. In this new video tutorial, I will be showing you how to draw the following rivets. For this specific class, at the end of this video, you should know how to draw the round or snap head rivet. Uh, Based on what we have here, I'll be using a diameter of 5 millimeters. Yeah, a 5 millimeter diameter, and length of 20. So this is what I'll be drawing first. So my first step is draw a rectangle. Change to my construction layer first. Then draw a rectangle, REC, rectangle, REC, enter. Left click. Let this be 5 by 20, 5, 20, 5 by 20. Yeah, this is that. So now my diameter is circle. My diameter has a radius is the same as the diameter. So in this case, I'm gonna use a radius of 5. So circle C, enter, click right here and type 5, 5, enter. My next step is to draw a line, L, enter for line. I'm using this part, using this trim, T, R, enter, enter, click here, delete, and that is done. It is done, simple as that. Yeah, that is done. So this is a round or snap head. I Now to move on to the next example right here. This one is pan head, and the pan head, again, this has the diameter is same, REC for rectangle, enter, left click, using diameter 5. I go tab 5, comma 20, 20, enter, and then I'm gonna use a draw a circle, C for circle, enter, and this I'm gonna use the radius of diameter is 2 times diameter, so let this be 10, 10, enter. Delete. So no, that's too big. C, enter, click right here. Radius is equal to, diameter is 5, so that is 10. So radius is equal to 10, 10. Seems large. 2 times diameter. Let me check to see if this is correct. All right. The line L, enter. Let this line be engaged alpha. Let this line be 2 times diameter, which is 10, 10, enter, enter. Then move this in place. Left click on this, drag it in place. Then I'm gonna draw a line here. So the top of this is, I'm gonna offset this by 5, which is diameter, offset, O for offset, enter, 5, enter, click, move, yeah. And this now, this is 60. It means therefore that the angle here is 30. So if this is 60, half of this is 30. 90 plus 30 is 190, 120, plus 60 is 180. So the angle here is 60. For that, I draw a line, L, enter, left click here, drag, tab, 60, 0, enter, enter. That is done. I'm going to trim this, PR, enter, enter. And I'm going to mirror this, left click here, MI for mirror, enter. Click here as a base point. Down here is next base point, enter. Trim, PR, enter, enter. That one is done. So 2 done. This one is the same procedure. Well, not necessarily. Rectangle, REC for rectangle, enter, left click. And for this, I'm using the same dimension, 5, 20, 2, 0, enter. That is now done. Line, L for line, enter. Or I could draw a circle, use a circle. C for circle, enter. Left click here. Radius 5, 5, enter. L for line, enter. Click here. Click there, enter. Trim. Well, trim. I could delete this now. I didn't even need that. I'm gonna use circle. Or circle start and radius. Could do that. Or I could use circle. Could use two ways. Arc start and radius. Or could use circle. Could use in one of them. Arc start and radius. Start center start and center start and center start and use this center start and yeah, center, C, enter. Here's the center, here's the start, and I draw this up like that. I want to use circle for this because I prefer to use circle for this because I'm gonna have to. I think circle works better. C, enter, click right here, extend it to here, and then copy this, left click, C, O, enter. Use here as a base point, drag this to here, and trim, escape, TR, enter, enter. Yeah, escape, delete. That one is done. This one now is quarter of a diameter, 2 times that, so with a rectangle. So this is basically a rectangle and two rectangles. So for that I go for rectangle, REC, enter, left click, shift at. This is 5 again, by 20 to 0, enter, and rectangle, spacebar to activate. This rectangle is 2 times the 2 times the diameter, which is makes it 10. So this is rectangle. This value is 10 on the horizontal, comma, diameter divided by 4. 5 divided by 4 is roughly 1.25. 1.25, and when I move this, left click on this, and to move, enter, and drop that here, and that is that. So that is that I'll be doing only 4 in this video. 1, 2, 3, 4. So there we have it, guys. That is how we draw the round or snap head rivet, the pan head, uh, the conodial head, and the flat head. Yep, that's all for this video. In my next video, I'll be showing you how to draw the other two. Yep.